Can you solve all these no-talking questions? What did Mrs. Marlowe notice at recess? Option 1, all the playground equipment was broken. Option 2, a whole layer of spoken sound was missing. Option 3, all the students were playing and talking normally. Option 4, none of above. Well expressed, a whole layer of spoken sound was missing. Why is Mrs. Hyatt unhappy with the no-talking contest? Option 1, she wants them to be silent every day. Option 2, she wants to participate in the contest. Option 3, the contest was not authorized by her. Option 4, the teachers are joining in too. Nicely done. The contest was not authorized by her. Why is Mrs. Hyatt unhappy with the no-talking contest? Option 1, she wants them to be silent every day. Option 2, she wants to participate in the contest. Option 3, the teachers are joining in too. Option 4, the contest was not authorized by her. Thoughtful answer. The contest was not authorized by her. What situation comes up that make no talking difficult at home? Option 1, phone calls from grandma. Option 2, helping a little brother with homework. Option 3, a trip to the mall to buy shoes. Option 4, all of these are true. Correct response, all of these are true. What is the title of Chapter 7, Shushables, referring to? Option 1, this group of 5th graders that are always talking. Option 2, this group of 5th graders that are always quiet. Option 3, this group of 5th graders that are always playing jokes. Option 4, none of above. Bravo! This group of 5th graders that are always talking! In Chapter 3, how does Dave ruin his no-talking experiment? Option 1, he gives an oral report. Option 2, he answers a question in class. Option 3, he insults Lindsay at lunch. Option 4, he tells a joke at recess. Excellent reasoning. He insults Lindsay at lunch. Who are the main characters in the book No Talking? Option 1, Tom Smith and Sarah Johnson. Option 2, Mike Thompson and Emily Davis. Option 3, Dave Packer and Lindsay Burgess. Option 4, John Miller and Jessica Wilson. Confident and correct, Dave Packer and Lindsay Burgess. Mrs. Marlowe discovers the rules to the no-talking contest when? Option 1, she overhears Lindsay explaining them. Option 2, she confiscates a note from Dave. Option 3, she confiscates Lindsay's notebook. Option 4, she questions Ellen in class. Smart thinking, she confiscates a note from Dave. Did Dave have a bigger challenge at home with not talking? Option 1, no, because he could talk to his family. Option 2, yes, because he could not talk to his family. Option 3, no, because he never talked to his family. Option 4, none of above. Yes, because he could not talk to his family. Great work. As the teachers left their meeting in the conference room, they were all not doing what? Option 1, whispering. Option 2, singing. Option 3, talking. Option 4, none of above. Strong answer, talking. What do the teachers call the fact that students are not talking? Option 1, a challenge. Option 2, a miracle. Option 3, a break. Option 4, skeptical. Right choice, a miracle. What did Kyle's karate teacher say when Ben told him the 5th graders aren't talking? Option 1, that's the craziest thing I've ever heard. Option 2, hi, I see. Yes. Silence, it is good. Option 3, it's about time. Option 4, none of above. Very good. I see. Yes, silence. It is good. What was the most important thing that happened after the assembly with the 5th graders? Option 1, they started talking normally. Option 2, they were creating and helping each other. Option 3, they were dancing and laughing in the halls again. Option 4, none of above. On track, they were cooperating and helping each other. What can the boys and girls do if a teacher talks to them during the no talking challenge? Option 1, they can talk as much as they need to. Option 2, they can talk, but use only 3 words or less. Option 3, they cannot talk at all to the teacher. Option 4, none of above. Well articulated, they can talk but use only 3 words or less. Why was kindergarten excused from the contest? Option 1, they were too quiet and could not work. Option 2, they didn't know how to go without talking. Option 3, they cried when asked to whisper. Option 4, none of above. Commendable response. They didn't know how to go without talking. Dave was doing an experiment on what? Option 1, not talking. Option 2, talking non-stop. Option 3, whispering. Option 4, none of above. Clear and correct, not talking. What does zip your lip mean? Option 1, keep talking. Option 2, singing at the top of your lungs. Option 3, be quiet. Option 4, none of above. Well-reasoned, be quiet. What did Ms. Marlowe find so amazing about the 5th graders' no-talking experiment? Option 1, they only talked at lunch. Option 2, 125 plus students were participating. Option 3, they talked in the halls only. Option 4, none of above. Great job, 125 plus students were participating. What did Lindsay hate to admit that Dave had said to her? Option 1, the boys would win the contest. Option 2, the top of her head exploding due to not talking. Option 3, that the girls were blabbermouths. Option 4, none of above. That's accurate. The top of her head exploding due to not talking. Dave teased that he and all the boys could do what better than the girls. Option 1, eating their lunch loudly. Option 2, their homework. Option 3, be quiet, or at least do the least amount of talking than the girls. Option 4, none of above. Good job, be quiet, or at least do the least amount of talking than the girls. What are some of the things Dave does to get away with not talking? Option 1, smiling. Option 2, nodding. Option 3, pointing. Option 4, all of the above. That's it. All of the above. What is the one word that Dave uses to describe the no-talking contest? Option 1, brilliant. Option 2, dumb. Option 3, dangerous. Option 4, crazy. Right, dangerous. When did not talking first start to be a challenge for Dave? Option 1, at home. Option 2, at the store. Option 3, at the bus stop. Option 4, none of above. At the bus stop, well done. During lunch, Ms. Hyatt thought she was dreaming because the 5th graders were what? Option 1, talking loudly. Option 2, not talking. Option 3, making a mess while they ate. Option 4, none of above. Keep it up, not talking. In Chapter 13, Lindsay writes to Dave that for her, a result of not talking is Option 1, she is thinking and thinking and thinking. Option 2, she is bored and bored and bored. Option 3, she is frustrated, frustrated, frustrated. Option 4, she is listening, listening, listening. Exactly. She is thinking and thinking and thinking. What lessons can be learned from the book No Talking about the importance of communication? Option 1, communication is not necessary for resolving conflicts and building relationships. Option 2, communication is only important in personal relationships, not professional ones. Option 3, effective communication is only important in certain situations, not in general. Option 4, effective communication is important for resolving conflicts and building relationships. Outstanding effort. Effective communication is important for resolving conflicts and building relationships. When Mrs. Hyatt tells Dave and Lindsay to lead the Pledge of Allegiance, what do the students silently agree on? Option 1, they refuse to speak. Option 2, they only say the first 3 words. Option 3, they call off the no-talking contest. Option 4, they call a temporary truce and say only the pledge. Precise answer. They call a temporary truce and say only the pledge. What frustrates Mrs. Marlowe? Option 1, the students are sleeping. Option 2, the students are talking in 3-word sentences. Option 3, none of the students did their homework. Option 4, all of the students are recording their words in notebooks. Excellent work. The students are talking in 3-word sentences. What did Gandhi say the purpose for not talking was? Option 1, to rest one's tongue. Option 2, to give one's ears a rest. Option 3, to bring order to his mind. Option 4, none of above. Well supported. To bring order to his mind. Even at lunch, everyone was talking except who? Option 1, Lindsay. Option 2, Paul. Option 3, Mrs. Overtown. Option 4, Dave. Nice work, Dave. Ms. Hyatt realized the 5th graders hadn't agreed to start talking. She decided to leave it to who to get them talking again. Option 1, the office staff. Option 2, the custodial staff. Option 3, the teachers. Option 4, none of above. Solid response. The teachers. What was the deal Taryn got all the students in Ms. Akers' music class to agree to? Option 1, yelling is not talking. Option 2, whispering is not talking. Option 3, singing is not talking. Option 4, none of above. You got it! Singing is not talking! What has Ms. Hyatt been trying to do with this group of 5th graders for the last 5 years? Option 1, obey the rule of no talking. Option 2, eat all their vegetables at lunch. Option 3, walk in the hallways. Option 4, none of above. Perfect choice. Obey the rule of no talking. Why were the school buses so quiet? Option 1, the 5th graders weren't talking. Option 2, the bus drivers had strict rules. Option 3, no one was allowed to talk. Option 4, it wasn't safe to turn the radio on. Spot on! The 5th graders weren't talking! The end of Chapter 3 suggests Dave should have done what? Option 1, kept talking and talking. Option 2, kept his mouth shut. Option 3, kept eating his own lunch. Option 4, none of above. Kept his mouth shut is correct! In Chapter 13, why is Mr. Burton excited about the students' no talking contest? Option 1, he enjoys the silence. Option 2, he hopes to use the contest for his research paper. Option 3, he wants the students to practice writing. Option 4, he would rather teach a language class. Accurate answer. He hopes to use the contest for his research paper. What does clam up mean? Option 1, stop talking. Option 2, stop playing. Option 3, stop writing. Option 4, clam fishing. Logical choice, stop talking. At first, Lindsay thought a day of not talking at school was what? Option 1, easily done. Option 2, impossible. Option 3, a piece of cake. Option 4, none of above. Valid point, impossible. Mrs. Marlowe was curious to find out what? Option 1, how to make all the 5th graders sing. Option 2, why all the 5th graders weren't talking. Option 3, how to get the 5th graders to clean up the school. Option 4, none of above. Well done. Why all the 5th graders weren't talking. Dave and Lindsay decide that the no talking contest will last how long? Option 1, the rest of the school year. Option 2, 1 hour. Option 3, 1 day. Option 4, 2 days. Yes, 2 days is right. What is the book No Talking about? Option 1, a story about a quiet school. Option 2, a story about a contest between boys and girls. Option 3, a story about a noisy classroom. Option 4, a story about a talking dog. A story about a contest between boys and girls. Great work. Lindsay said the whole idea of no talking was Option 1, silly and childish. Option 2, so much fun. Option 3, a great idea. Option 4, none of above. Right choice, silly and childish. In what state does no talking take place? Option 1, New York. Option 2, New Jersey. Option 3, New Hampshire. Option 4, New Netherlands. You got it, New Jersey! In Chapter 14, how does Lindsay feel about not talking? Option 1, she feels lonely. Option 2, she likes to be able to think without talking. Option 3, she is annoyed at Dave for coming up with the idea. Option 4, she does not like being quiet. Excellent reasoning. She likes to be able to think without talking. What is the central theme of the book No Talking? Option 1, the benefits of silence and nonverbal communication. Option 2, the role of technology in modern communication. Option 3, the importance of body language in effective communication. Option 4, the power of words and the importance of communication. Spot on. The power of words and the importance of communication. Which sounds are not allowed during the no talking contest? Option 1, hums. Option 2, screams. Option 3, words. Option 4, both A and B. On track, words. What is the name of the school in the book No Talking? Option 1, Greenwood Elementary School. Option 2, Laketon Elementary School. Option 3, Maplewood High School. Option 4, Riverside Middle School. Laketon Elementary School, well done. What challenge did the girls accept? Option 1, no talking for 2 school days. Option 2, prank each other every day. Option 3, clean their lockers. Option 4, prank the principal. Valid point, no talking for 2 school days. Since Dave wasn't talking, what was he focusing on? Option 1, listening. Option 2, eating pizza. Option 3, taking notes. Option 4, talking to his friends. That's it, listening. How did Dave get out of speaking during his oral presentation? Option 1, sneezing. Option 2, coughing. Option 3, talking. Option 4, not talking. Correct response, coughing. When Dave wasn't talking at lunch, what was he able to focus upon? Option 1, what people look like. Option 2, listening. Option 3, eating his lunch. Option 4, none of above. Thoughtful answer, listening. Dave and Lindsay decide that the no talking contest will last how long? Option 1, 1 hour. Option 2, 1 day. Option 3, 2 days. Option 4, the rest of the school year. Well done, 2 days! When the boys first heard about the no talking contest, what was their reaction? Option 1, they were so excited. Option 2, they were unsure, thinking it would be impossible. Option 3, they didn't care about beating the girls. Option 4, they started to not talk immediately. Logical choice. They were unsure, thinking it would be impossible. Absolutely not joking. Option 1, deadly serious. Option 2, having fun. Option 3, talking to friends. Option 4, conversation. Great job, deadly serious! When we first read about Dave Packer, what is he not doing? Option 1, eating. Option 2, talking. Option 3, his homework. Option 4, sleeping. Commendable response, talking. How does the no talking contest affect the students' relationships with each other in the book No Talking? Option 1, the no talking contest promotes communication and understanding among the students. Option 2, the no talking contest has no effect on the students' relationships with each other. Option 3, the no talking contest creates tension and hostility among the students. Option 4, the no talking contest leads to isolation and loneliness among the students. Good job! The no talking contest promotes communication and understanding among the students. What is the difference between talking and noise? Option 1, talking is loud and noise is quiet. Option 2, talking is communication and noise is random sounds. Option 3, talking is annoying and noise is pleasant. Option 4, talking and noise are the same thing. Smart thinking. Talking is communication and noise is random sounds. What are some other forms of communication that can be used when not talking? Option 1, sign language. Option 2, writing. Option 3, gestures. Option 4, all of the above. Excellent work. All of the above. Was Lindsay aware of Dave's not talking experiment? Option 1, yes. Option 2, no. Option 3, maybe. Option 4, none of above. No is correct. Why do the 5th grade boys and girls in the book No Talking decide to have a no talking contest? Option 1, to see who can stay silent the longest. Option 2, to protest against the school's strict rules on talking. Option 3, to win a bet with their teacher. Option 4, to prove that boys and girls can communicate without speaking. Well expressed. To prove that boys and girls can communicate without speaking. Lindsay realized she had been talking too much. What did she compare her talking to? Option 1, a bird flapping its wings. Option 2, a faucet, wide open, gushing and gushing. Option 3, a dog barking incessantly. Option 4, none of above. Strong answer, a faucet, wide open, gushing and gushing. Dave had an advantage over the girls because he had already been practicing what? Option 1, singing loudly. Option 2, no talking. Option 3, blurting out. Option 4, none of above. Well supported, no talking. At the end of chapter 14, the principal and 5th grade teachers had a dash to discuss the not talking of the 5th graders. Option 1, party. Option 2, special meeting. Option 3, concert. Option 4, none of above. Well reasoned. Special meeting. Why did Dave say, not talking at school is extra hard? Option 1, his mom and dad made him talk. Option 2, he had to talk to his best friend. Option 3, he and Lindsay had to give a report on India. Option 4, none of above. Clear and correct. He and Lindsay had to give a report on India. In the Lecton ES handbook, there was no rule about what? Option 1, pushing and shoving. Option 2, eating ice cream in class. Option 3, no whispering, chatting, or talking in classrooms, halls, or lunchroom. Option 4, none of above. Precise answer, no whispering, chatting, or talking in classrooms, halls, or lunchroom. Todd thought the idea of a no-talking contest was Option 1, too easy and the girls would win. Option 2, it was dumb and he didn't want to participate. Option 3, it was too hard and the boys would win. Option 4, none of above. Perfect choice. It was dumb and he didn't want to participate. What is the main idea of the book No Talking? Option 1, the importance of communication. Option 2, the power of silence. Option 3, the value of teamwork. Option 4, the consequences of disobedience. Confident and correct, the value of teamwork. What was the assembly about in chapter 16? Option 1, there was a magic show. Option 2, the students were practicing the songs they had been learning. Option 3, the no talking contest. Option 4, there was someone stealing lunches. Nice work, the no talking contest. Why does Dave love to talk so much? Option 1, he couldn't talk in 3rd grade. Option 2, talking always made Dave feel like he was in charge. Option 3, Dave was always interested in student council. Option 4, Dave was an only child. Exactly. Talking always made Dave feel like he was in charge. What does expressed mean in this context? Dash. He could practically write a whole book about the way the kids and staff at Laketon ES had changed the way they expressed themselves. Option 1, give directions to a place. Option 2, convey in words or by gestures and conduct. Option 3, walk around the school not talking. Option 4, none of above. Solid response. Convey in words or by gestures and conduct. In the book No Talking, what is the main setting of the story? Option 1, Laketon Elementary School. Option 2, The Angels. Option 3, New York City. Option 4, Washington, D.C. Bravo, Laketon Elementary School. What did Dave do to keep from talking when the teacher asked him to give his report? Option 1, looked away. Option 2, coughed. Option 3, wrote the answers. Option 4, talked to the class. That's accurate. Coughed. How do the students react when Mrs. Hyatt tried to stop the contest the first time? Option 1, they stop talking. Option 2, they continue the contest. Option 3, they whistle only. Option 4, they stop the contest. Keep it up. They continue the contest. What is the name of the author of the book No Talking? Option 1, J.K. Rowling. Option 2, Stephen King. Option 3, Suzanne Collins. Option 4, Andrew Clements. Well articulated, Andrew Clements. Ms. Hyatt asked a direct question. What was it? Option 1, why is everyone being so loud today? Option 2, is there a problem with the food today? Option 3, is there some special reason why no one's talking today? Option 4, none of above. Nicely done. Is there some special reason why no one's talking today? The principal was dashed about the no talking contest. Option 1, upset. Option 2, happy. Option 3, pleased. Option 4, disappointed. Right, upset. Was Ellen successful at staying quiet at her flute lesson? Option 1, yes. She taught the teacher not to talk as well. Option 2, no. The Mrs. Lennox got really angry and quit. Option 3, yes. She didn't care if Mrs. Lennox was angry with her. Option 4, no. It's really hard to play the flute without talking. Accurate answer, yes. She taught the teacher not to talk as well. Dave demonstrates to the boys that he can communicate without talking, using everything except. Option 1, nodding. Option 2, writing a note. Option 3, shaking his head. Option 4, singing them a song. Outstanding effort. Singing them a song. What new activity was unauthorized? Option 1, fifth graders not talking. Option 2, playing at recess. Option 3, eating burgers at lunch. Option 4, none of above. Very good, fifth graders not talking. The principal thought it would be good for the grades to compete against each class to make the no talking contest more interesting. This way the whole school could be part of this idea Dave started. Option 1, true. Option 2, false. Option 3, the book didn't say this. Option 4, this was an ideas by Dave. Yes, true is right. To move about in a disorderly way. Option 1, milling around. Option 2, talking to a friend. Option 3, playing a sport. Option 4, frowning. Clear and correct, milling around. What does Mrs. Marlowe first think about her first class after lunch? Option 1, she is amazed at how quiet they are. Option 2, she is sad that they aren't talking loudly. Option 3, she misses the constant disruptions. Option 4, she doesn't notice anything different about their behavior. Solid response. She is amazed at how quiet they are. Talking always makes Dave feel like what? Option 1, he was not in control. Option 2, he was in control. Option 3, he was by himself. Option 4, none of above. He was in control. Great work. Dave demonstrates to the boys that he can communicate without talking using everything except Option 1, nodding. Option 2, writing a note. Option 3, shaking his head. Option 4, singing them a song. Excellent work! Singing them a song! Who did Dave get the idea of not talking from? Option 1, Mahatma Gandhi. Option 2, Elvis Presley. Option 3, Derek Jeter. Option 4, George Washington. Correct response, Mahatma Gandhi. In Chapter 1, Dave decides that not talking at school is extra hard because of Option 1, girls. Option 2, teachers. Option 3, friends. Option 4, P class. Keep it up, teachers. When we first read about Dave Packer, what is he not doing? Option 1, sleeping. Option 2, talking. Option 3, his homework. Option 4, eating. Strong answer, talking. Which teacher thinks that class is fine with the 5th graders not talking? Option 1, gym teacher. Option 2, science teacher. Option 3, reading teacher. Option 4, math teacher. Bravo, gym teacher! Why was Ms. Akers the music teacher against the contest continuing? Option 1, she only had the 5th graders 2-3 times a week. Option 2, she loves talking and misses them talking to her. Option 3, she dislikes all forms of competition. Option 4, none of above. Nicely done. She only had the 5th graders 2-3 times a week. Noisy excitement and confusion. Option 1, silence. Option 2, talking. Option 3, commotion. Option 4, testing. Well articulated. Commotion. Dave wondered if not talking would make him what? Option 1, smarter. Option 2, a better talker. Option 3, a better listener. Option 4, none of above. Excellent reasoning. Smarter. What did the students learn from the no talking contest? Option 1, that talking is important for communication. Option 2, that silence can cause trouble. Option 3, that boys and girls can work together. Option 4, all of the above. Accurate answer, all of the above. Do you think Mr. Burton agreed with the Ms. Hyatt's expectation that all 5th graders should resume normal talking? Option 1, yes. Option 2, no. Option 3, possibly. Option 4, none of above. Nice work, no. What character trait could you infer many of the teachers at Laketon ES possess as they deal with the 5th graders not talking? Option 1, flexibility. Option 2, sadness. Option 3, anger. Option 4, none of above. That's it, flexibility. When the boys first heard about the no-talking contest, what was their reaction? Option 1, they were so excited. Option 2, they didn't care about beating the girls. Option 3, they were skeptical, thinking it would be impossible. Option 4, they started not telling immediately. Perfect choice. They were skeptical, thinking it would be impossible. What was Dave's challenge to the girls? Option 1, a whole day of talking and talking and talking. Option 2, a whole day of playing hopscotch. Option 3, a whole day of no talking at school. Option 4, none of above. Very good, a whole day of no talking at school. What will happen to the loser of the contest between Dave and Lindsay? Option 1, the loser will be last in the lunch line every day for a week. Option 2, the loser will have to stop talking for the rest of the year. Option 3, the loser will get an L written on their forehead during recess. Option 4, the loser will have to present the oral report on their own. Confident and correct. The loser will get an L written on their forehead during recess. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Option 1, contact Narayan Changder on Facebook. Option 2, send an email to cbsenetforyou@gmail.com. Option 3, none of the above. Option 4, contact Narayan Changder. Commendable response. Contact Narayan Changder.